but sometimes they just can't keep up. I run out of space, things get messy, and before I know it, I'm taking photos just to save what I wrote before I erase it. Hey, I'm Sam. In a startup, every second counts and every idea matters. My hack? Meetboard 4 Prime. It turns brainstorming into rocket fuel. I just jot things down like I normally would. Circle a number, sketch out a plan. Then boom! The board recognizes my handwriting and turns it into neat typed text. And with just one tap, I can share it with my team in seconds. This board made my meetings faster, smoother, and honestly, a lot more fun. Ideas flow better, and everyone stays aligned.
Where's the Meetboard 4 Prime? We all want to borrow it for our meeting.
I borrowed it first. No, me first. Hey!
We might need one in every room now. Meetboard 4 Prime, for leaders who turn ideas into direction.